Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda Metropolitan 50cc motor scooter, electric start, fuel injected, automatic transmission. This beautiful red Italian style scooter just acquired from its first owner with only 75 miles on it. Come by, make your motor scooter dream comes true for just $24.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Over 100 miles per gallon. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports. Look at it carry that big guy.